Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at this 40-volt battery-powered lawnmower. And in fact, there's a whole range of these to suit your needs. Let's talk about the advantages. First of all, there's no cables. We're not governed by how long our extension lead is on our lawn. We can take it long distances from our property to mow small areas of lawn, so that's absolutely great, no cables. And again, more advantages, there's no petrol, no oil, no pollution. Absolutely brilliant nowadays. And of course it's low noise being battery powered, so we're not going to annoy those neighbours at 9 o'clock mowing the lawn on a Sunday morning. Another great advantage is it's very lightweight, so it's easy to transport and move from A to B. Again, it's really easy to maneuver, which is absolutely brilliant. Another advantage, minimal setup. We haven't got to put engine oil in, fuel in, all that sort of thing. Basically out of the box, assemble the handles, that's it, job done. And of course, being a battery one, it's easy to use. We basically, as long as we've got the battery charged on, we can pull the lever, away it goes. So that's it. That's the 40-volt battery lawnmower. And of course, there is another advantage. Well, the other advantage, the batteries and the charger are all the same for our other 40-volt range of tools. So here I happen to have a hedge trimmer, and of course I've got a leaf blower as well. So we've got universal multi-fit batteries with a 40-volt range. And of course, all of this is backed up by our 3-year warranty. I do hope you found this useful. I've been Adrian, thanks for watching.